Well, I tried to get this lower control arm out, brought the torch out, tried to cut off all these dang rivets, but could not get them out. I tried and tried and tried. So what I'm gonna do now is just replace this entire control arm. Let's get him unwrapped. Look at there, a brand new control arm, and we'll get started. It's about 30 degrees in here, so I think we will fire up the heater and get going. Oh boy, I tell you, that was a bunch of work. We got the old one out. I ended up just zip zapping that off. Got the new one here. And they all look the same. So it's real important to be careful around these springs. Those springs will kill you. They're under a lot of pressure. So just remember, you got to be careful around that. So let's get this one put in there and then we'll be done. Okay, as you guys just saw, we got the lower control arm in. Upper control arm's just hanging there. This doesn't have any tension on it. This looks tight, how it's sitting. Got a jack stand under it. We got to put a sway bar link in. We got to finish tightening up these nuts and put our ball joints back in. And then I think we got it. Got to take this off still yet, but that all can be done. What now is holding it right now is the shock. The shock is holding it down and up and whatever which way it needs to be. So without further ado, let's just keep going. All right, guys, we got everything put back together on that side. Everything put back together on this side. So we're gonna clean up a little bit and put the tires back on. Then we'll go for a ride and see how she feels. So let's get cleaning and putting the tires on. We'll catch you then. Okay, we got things picked up, put up, and now we will see about taking her for a ride. And let's see what she does. She cranked right up. We'll leave you guys at this. We got it running. Wheel bearings are in. Wait, not wheel bearings, control arms. We got to take it for an alignment now and let them do what they do. Now, to win this pickup, we're gonna do something a little different. If you guys send me the links to a video that you make telling me why you should win this pickup, it will be worth 3 entries for the drawing. But you got to send me a link in the comments and record yourself, tell me why you want this pickup, and if you also link the video to this pickup that I'm giving it away, it'll be worth 5 entries. 3 for the visual recording, the VR, and 2 more if you link this video in your video. So now, with all that said, we'll catch you guys next time. This is John's Auto Fixes. I'm John. We will catch you next time.